Hello students, hope all of you are well and healthy. Welcome to class 12. I am Mr. Dhrubajyoti Mondal, your maths teacher. Today I'll discuss some topic of calculus, okay? So before that, let me show you the syllabus, detailed syllabus of the ISC. The syllabus, as you know, this is divided into three sections. Section A, Section B and Section C. Now Section A contains 80 marks which is compulsory for all, and it contains three first relation and function, the chapter relation and function 12 marks, algebra 14 marks, calculus 40 marks, probability 14 marks. So total 80 marks from Section A. Next, either you have to attempt Section B or Section C, not compulsory. Options are there. Section B, either Section B or Section C. So if you attempt Section B, so three are there, vectors 6 marks, 3-dimensional geometry 8 to 10 marks, either 8 or 10 marks, and application of integrals either 6 or 4 marks. Next to Section C. Section C is application of calculus 8 marks, linear regression 6 marks, and the linear programming problem 6 marks. So this is the total 100 marks, and the question pattern same as it was in class 11, you know. Let me start one chapter of calculus, which is Rolle's theorem and Lagrange's mean value theorem. In this chapter, we shall discuss the two very important theorems on calculus. First one is Rolle's theorem and the second one is Lagrange's mean value theorem. Today I will discuss the statement of Rolle's theorem and its applicability. Statement of Rolle's theorem means you don't have to prove the statement, only you have to learn the statement. No need to prove the statement, only you have to learn all the statements and then its application. Now, see the statement of Rolle's theorem. Statement first is, if a function fx is continuous in the closed interval ab, third bracket means closed interval, so you have to prove the function fx is continuous in the closed interval ab, closed in important. Second condition, f dash x exists in the open interval ab, first bracket means open interval. Third condition, fa equal to fb. These three conditions you have to satisfy first. Then by Rolle's theorem, there exists at least one value of x, say c, belongs to open interval AB, such that f dash c equal to 0, where c belongs to the open interval AB. Now what is open interval or closed interval? Suppose x belongs to open interval 2, 3. That means 2 less than x less than 3. That means you have to take all points between 2 and 3 excluding the boundary points. Closed interval means suppose x belongs to closed interval 2, 3. So closed interval means 2 less than equal to x less than equal to 3. Okay. So that means closed interval means you have to take all the points between 2 and 3 including the boundary points. Before proceeding or stating the Rolle's theorem, first we have to, before proceeding, let us discuss some important results. The first results. The constant function is always continuous everywhere. Constant function means suppose 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 like that. These are the constants. So this is continuous everywhere. Second, polynomial functions like 2x minus 3, x square plus 5x minus 7 or any cubic polynomial are always continuous in everywhere. Exponential function e to the power x, e to the power 5x are always continuous in everywhere. Sine and cosine, sine x, cos x, these are continuous in everywhere. Next is inverse trigonometric function, tan inverse, sine inverse, cos inverse, and logarithmic function, log x, log 5x, log 7x. These are also continuous on its domain, not everywhere. If the function is continuous, then their sum, difference, product, all are continuous. Like suppose sin x and cos x are continuous, so sin x plus cos x is also continuous function, sin x minus cos x is also a continuous function, sin x into cos x is also a continuous function. Similarly, e to the power x sin x, log x square plus 2, etc. All these are the continuous functions. Okay. Now today we will discuss the applicability of Rolle's theorem. Let me proceed through the sums. See the sums. First sum. This is the question. Verify Rolle's theorem. See the question. Number 1. Verify Rolle's theorem for the functions. This. I have taken trigonometric function sin x plus cos x minus 1. And also the interval will be given. Closed interval. X belongs to 0 to pi by 2. You have to satisfy that 3 conditions are satisfying. And then as usual,